Earn using Chat GPT and AI tools. How to make money online?
Welcome to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to make money online or boost your income effortlessly, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll reveal the power of Chat GPT and AI tools and how they can help you achieve financial success from the comfort of your home. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Understanding Chat GPT and AI tools. Before we delve into making money online, let's understand what Chat GPT and AI tools are. Chat GPT, powered by OpenAI, is a language model that uses artificial intelligence to interact with users just like a human. It can answer questions, generate content, and even carry out conversations. On the other hand, AI tools encompass a wide range of applications that leverage machine learning algorithms to automate tasks, analyze data, and optimize processes. Number 2. How Chat GPT and AI tools can make you money. Now that we know what Chat GPT and AI tools are, let's explore how they can become your money-making allies. From content creation to customer support, these tools offer various opportunities to earn online. Here are 5 practical ways to make money using Chat GPT and AI. Keyword 1. Content creation enhancement. By employing Chat GPT, you can supercharge your content creation process. Whether it's writing articles, blog posts, or social media updates, Chat GPT can generate high-quality, engaging content within seconds. Keyword 2. Chatbots for customer support. Integrate AI-driven chatbots on your website to provide instant customer support. This not only enhances user experience but also frees up your time to focus on other income-generating activities. Keyword 3. Online courses and tutorials. Leverage AI tools to create interactive online courses and tutorials on subjects you're passionate about. Monetize your expertise by offering valuable knowledge to a global audience. Keyword 4. Social media management. With AI tools, you can streamline your social media management, schedule posts, analyze engagement data, and optimize your content strategy to grow your online presence. Keyword 5. Trading and investment assistance. AI-powered tools can analyze market trends and provide valuable insights for trading and investment decisions. Utilize these tools to make informed financial choices. Ways to make money with Chat GPT and AI tools. Number 3. Building passive income streams. One of the most significant advantages of using Chat GPT and AI tools is their potential to create passive income streams. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort after the initial setup. Here are some ways you can build passive income using these tools. Keyword 1. Ebooks and audiobooks. Publish ebooks and audiobooks using Chat GPT's content generation abilities. Once published, they can provide a steady stream of income through online marketplaces. Keyword 2. Affiliate marketing. Leverage AI tools to identify profitable affiliate products and create engaging content to promote them. Earn commissions on every sale made through your unique affiliate links. Keyword 3. YouTube and podcast monetization. Create engaging video content or podcasts using AI-generated scripts. Build a loyal audience and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. Keyword 4. Drop shipping business. Set up a drop shipping business and use AI tools to optimize product listings, customer service, and inventory management. Keyword 5. Niche website with ads. Create niche websites with AI-generated content and monetize them through advertisements. Building passive income with AI. Number 4. Avoiding pitfalls and ensuring success. While Chat GPT and AI tools offer incredible opportunities, it's essential to be cautious and avoid potential pitfalls. Here are some tips to ensure your success. Keyword 1. quality control. Always review AI-generated content before publishing it. Maintain the highest quality standards to retain credibility. Keyword 2. Understanding your audience. Know your target audience and tailor your content accordingly. Personalization is the key to building a loyal following. Keyword 3. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest AI advancements and tools. Continuous learning will help you stay ahead in the competitive online landscape. Keyword 4. Balancing automation and human touch. While AI tools can automate tasks, don't forget the importance of the human touch in building relationships with your audience. Keyword 5. Diversifying income streams. Avoid relying solely on one income source. Diversify your revenue streams to reduce risks and maximize earning potential. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the exciting opportunities of making money online with Chat GPT and AI tools. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Until next time, keep exploring and maximizing the power of AI to create your financial success. See you soon.
Connect us via social media. Contact us. Thanks for watching.